Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create quiz content using an existing template in Canva. So here, I've already opened the Canva apps on my phone, and to find the templates regarding quiz, you can just click on the search column at the top and type in the keyword quiz. Click on enter. And here just wait until Canva showing the templates available. Okay, so you can see there are lots of templates that you can choose, and it comes with a different format. That this one is for maybe an Instagram story, or this one is for an Instagram or a Facebook post. So you can just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best. Well, for example, I want to find the quiz for my Instagram post, so I'm going to just explore in here until I found the right fit. Okay, so let's say I want to use this yellow brown template, so just click on the templates that you want to use. So it also comes with the question, but if you have a question on your own, you can just edit the text in the template anytime, anywhere you want. So here you can also change like the color, maybe to suit your brand or your Instagram profile. If you want to change the question, just double click on the question and type your own question, and here you can also change the option, the answer. And when you're done, you can just click on this arrow to download the quiz and maybe later upload it to your social media. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.